Taoiseach, today is May Day.
Well done.
Just to remind the Labour Party of that. In Irish mythology, as you...
Sorry, I want to hear about May Day. Is this a question about May Day, is it?
Yes. In Irish mythology, Taoiseach, as you know, it's also the beginning of the summer season. It's a time of transition and of purification. And it's also the day when trade unions and working people across the world unite in solidarity and in support of workers' rights. However, in this state, Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil and Labour are about the work of austerity and the erosion of workers' rights. In Europe, the Trade Union Confederation has rejected austerity and your austerity treaty. So, Corfi, Taoiseach, Corfi austerity agus bhuair conra, níos mó brú agus cruúhan ar daoine atá ag obair agus a teaghlaigh, agus Taoiseach ag an Tom Cearna go bhfuil a lán ibrí gan cearta ar bí. And Vita Cortex, which you visited, Taoiseach, Wilson's Publishing, Lagan Brick, in my own constituency, Vodafone, Diageo and Irish Cement, workers are having their rights trampled upon. In Vita Cortex, the workers are on the 138th day of a sit-in. So Taoiseach, tonight, Sinn Féin will bring forward the Protection of Employees Amendment Bill. And would you commit today, on May Day, and on Lá Baltana, this time of purification and transition, Taoiseach, will you commit your government to support this bill and to work constructively with Sinn Féin to close the loopholes which some employers have used to ride roughshod over the rights of workers?
Thank you, Deputy. Taoiseach.
I met with the Vita Cortex workers some time ago myself. This was a matter that was raised here in the House on numerous occasions. What the workers said to me was that what they really requested was respect for the long years of committed and diligent service that they gave to that firm. Now, I am aware of a number of recommendations that have been made here, and I understand that even in the last week to 10 days, recommendations have been put in without prejudice on either side here that might bring about some progress. In that context, this is not the only situation, as you point out, where difficulties have arisen and where difficulties still arise. And insofar as government is concerned, we're anxious to use all of the facilities of the machinery of the state, as it were, to bring about resolutions to these particular problems. As I say, I am aware of the intervention of the court in respect of the Vita Cortex workers and some recommendations that have been made there. It's important in the sense of not just having facilities that are there for that purpose, but that they be seen to work and bring about a successful conclusion. Vita Cortex workers have put in an extraordinary presence in terms of their campaign, and their direct comments to me were not just about the usual assumption that it's all about money. In this case, it was about respect, and they deserve that.
They also deserve the legal protection of the state, and they don't have that. They deserve the legal protection and support of the government, particularly a government which has a Labour Party component to it. So the bill tonight, Taoiseach, does give you the opportunity to start that process. It would need a whole suite of bills to give workers the legal rights which they're entitled to. And I've visited many of these strike lines and picket lines, and I visited Vita Cortex myself, and it's very reminiscent of that Christy Moore song, Ordinary Man, or Ordinary Man and Woman. People who have given 35 years of service, just being told, Shinné, you're out. And then people are left floundering. So tonight, Taoiseach, you do have an opportunity for the government to sign up and support this bill. And could I, because, you know, occasionally, and I know you don't really mean it, occasionally you say to us, you know, Sinn Féin never says anything positive. Well, here's a very, very positive step that we have taken, an initiative which we have taken. And I'm asking you if you would sign up to support this. And it's very, very straight. It's very, very straightforward. And I would presume that Minister Robert would be bolting out of his hole to support this.